Hello everybody, happy Easter. It's been a long time since I've done a video. We're at Sheffield Park station and we're going to go on a new adventure today on some trains that is very old. I found an old post box which is from the Victorian times, so it must be very old. So it's really interesting. Is 149 years old. It's really old and it does look pretty old compared to the train, but these days it's much During the Industrial Revolution, the rail network expanded dramatically across Britain to create important transport links. Raw materials, goods, food and people could now be carried easily and freely, opening up a better trade and business opportunities across Britain and the world. Improvements to old engine designs were required, and this led to the birth of new, more powerful and versatile locomotives. In addition, incidents and accidents, sometimes with great loss of life, resulted in the inventions of new safety features. This was an industry undergoing massive growth and rapid change. In 1870, 420 million passengers travelled on 16,000 miles of the world, 16 miles of line. The world was shrinking. In 1700, it took 4 days to get to Manchester, but in 1880, it took 4 hours. With increasing numbers of passengers came the demand of faster and stronger engines to cope with a range of different jobs. This is very interesting.
Standing a bit more halfway down.
Do you remember your dreams? What would life be like if we couldn't dream? In a universe with an abundance of possibilities, what's holding you back? Sometimes I don't want to wake up.
Our horns are coming through. 3 buckets I put out. It's got a shed.
Everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification button, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.